Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install zip files on Android. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So first of all, installing zip files on Android typically involves extracting the contents of the zip archive rather than directly installing it like you would with an APK file. Okay, so here's how you can do it. So first, you need to use a file manager app. Most Android devices come with a built-in file manager app that allows you to navigate through your device's files and folders. If you don't have a file manager app, you can download one from the Google Play Store such as Files by Google or Solid Explorer. Next is to locate the zip file. Open your file manager app and navigate to the location where the zip file is saved. This could be in the Downloads folder or any other location where you have stored the zip file. Extract the zip file. So tap on the zip file to select it and then look for an option to extract or unzip the file. This option is usually represented by an icon that looks like a folder being opened or a downward arrow, then tap on it. Now choose Extraction Location. After tapping on the extraction option, you will be prompted to choose a location to extract the contents of the zip file. You can select an existing folder or create a new one. Now, wait for extraction. So the file manager will extract the contents of the zip file to the specified location. This might take a moment depending on the size of the zip file and the performance of your device. And lastly, access extracted files. Once the extraction is complete, you can navigate to the chosen extraction location and access the extracted files and folders. Please note that zip files typically contain various types of files and not all of them may be directly installable on Android. So, for example, if the zip file contains an APK file, you can install the app by tapping on the APK file. However, other types of files like documents, images, or other media may not require installation and can be accessed directly from their respective apps. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.